6-box mixer, mystery PYT. 49ers, Build a Thrill. Violet Petals, Bears. Bengals, Build a Thrill. PPTP Calvary, Bills. Broncos, Bozo. Browns, JS Plate. Build a Thrill. Bucks, Cardinals, Aaron Evan. New Yorker, Chargers. PO8 Chiefs, Colts, PO8. Build a Thrill, Cowboys. Dolphins, Violet Petals. Eagles, Dilla. Falcons, Stand Up. PPTP Calvary, Giants for free. Jags, Build a Thrill. Jets, New Yorker. Ian, Lions. Packers, Easy Cheesy. Wheel God, Panthers. Patriots, Dilla. Raiders, Bill M. Soup, Rams. Ravens, PPTP. JS Plate. Redskins, Saints, Calvary Crazies. Seahawks, Dilla. Steelers, JS Plate. Build a Thrill. Texans, Titans, Giants fan, and Bozo with the Vikings. Is it? Hold on a second. I actually have to check something real quick. Alright. Sorry, I forgot to do this earlier. Ian, I checked. I just had a chance to check payments, so you got your mods now. Alright. Here we go, guys. Good luck. The tribute. I got more tribute. If you guys want to do more tribute after this, or you know what? I have a couple of boxes left of 2014. I have one box of certified and one box of select. I got a different kind of break we can try. I did it last time I was live. Guys seem to like it. Here's how it works. It's a 4-spot break. 4-spot break. You take a box of basically like either certified or select football 2014. 4 spots: quarterback, running back, receiver, and defense. It's like $15 a spot. People can, everyone gets either one of those positions. 4 people get their spots. Then I random their names and they draft quarterback, running back, receiver, defense in the order that they're in after the randomizer. Position break. I don't ship base cards anyway, New Yorker. First box, good luck, guys. Brandon Marshall, insert. First hit. Ooh, it's a nice one, too. Kelvin Benjamin, 2-color patch auto for the Panthers. Going to Wheel God. It's numbered to 699. Kelvin Benjamin, 2-color patch auto. RPA. Nice start to the break. Kelvin Benjamin, insert. James Wilder Jr. to 999. Next hit. Terrence West, numbered to 99, jersey card for the Brownies. Going to JS Plate. Devin Street to 999. Darrell Revis to 99. Bradley Roby for the Broncos auto, numbered to 399. It's numbered to 399. $249, Anthony Barr. Logan Thomas. Guys, all this base does not ship, but I do donate it to the children's wing of the hospital, so it is going to a good place. I don't go and sell it. Josh Huff for the Eagles, numbered to 399. Auto. Eagles for Dilla. Dilla the break killer. Fran Tarkenton to 249. CJ Fedowitz, $9.99. Josh Huff auto. That's who you missed, New Yorker. I feel like we're going to get something big out of Prime 6. DeMarco Murray, Todd Gurley, Antonio Gates, Russell Wilson, numbered to 149. Paxton Lynch for the Broncos, insert. And auto is Miles Jack, numbered 5 of 5. Miles Jack, numbered 5 of 5 auto. Going to the Jaguars. Bill the Thrill. Bill the Thrill. 5 of 5 Miles Jack for Bill the Thrill. I think we're going to get something else really good in Prime 6. I just have a feeling on Prime 6. I think all 3 boxes are going to be good. We're due for a good vet auto in Prime 6. We do grading. Yeah. The Brouhaha, he's the other guy who broadcasts. He'll be live tomorrow, Bill. He does all the grading. I send this to him, and he always... No, everything I send out for grading always gems, PP. Always. We could do more mystery breaks tonight if you guys want to. I just need to get something to on my neck. My neck is killing me right now. Jason Verrett to 249. Ooh. Oh, is it an auto? Nope, jersey. Blake Bortles for the Jaguars for Bill the Thrill, the $5.99 rookie. Rookie jersey. Tevin Smith to $9.99. Le'Veon Bell, that is numbered to 25. Kyle Van Noy auto for the Lions, that is numbered to 199. 149, I'm sorry. 149 for the Kyle Van Noy for the Lions. Going to Ian. I missed a card, didn't I? Yep. Anthony Barr insert. Jared Amadeus. Jimmy Graham insert. We're just pulling Cody Latimer's left and right today. 2-color patch auto Cody Latimer for the Broncos. Broncos going to Bozo. Bozo Broncos. 2-color RPA to 249. Cody Latimer. Number to 249, Carlos Hyde. And Jimmy Garoppolo jersey for the Patriots, number to 599. Hold on a second, I missed a card. Dave Casper to 249 for the Raiders. Missed that one. And Devontae Freeman insert. All right, let's keep up good hits out of Prime 6. Good hits out of Prime 6. Richard Sherman, Nate Washington, Justin Hardy, Alfred Morris, number to 49. Corey Coleman insert. And auto. Christian Hackenberg, numbered to 199. I believe that's for the Jets. New Yorker. Hackenberg. On patch auto. Guys, what do you guys want to do after this? We could do more mystery breaks. We could do some position breaks on a couple small stuff just to do open a couple more boxes quickly. We could try finish filling Flawless Baseball. We got 6 left in the hit draft on Flawless Baseball. You want the select football? All right, we'll try that. That'll be quick too. Select football will be super quick. 150 a spot. It's everyone gets a card. It's a hit draft. 10-person hit draft. Lache C-Struck insert. Hold on, the points I gotta flip around. 250 points. Random off at the end to everybody in it, guys. We'll random that off at the end. Jared Abadeus. That is numbered 2 of 25. I thought it was going to be an auto. It's not. For the Packers, 2 of 25 for Easy Cheesy. Josh Gordon to 249. Carlos Hyde jersey to 599. For the 49ers. Build the thrill. Bishop Sankey to 249. Quiz Denard insert. Oh, this would be nice if this is autoed. Peyton Manning. Nope. Peyton Manning jersey card for the Broncos to Bozo. Still nice to get a Peyton Manning. Peyton Manning jersey. That's numbered to 499. Man, this thing is thick as crap, too. Jake the Snake Locker to 99. Gale Sayers to 249. Vet Auto. Vet Auto for the Colts numbered 9 of 10. 9 of 10 Dwayne Allen Auto for the Colts. Going to PO8. Numbered 9 of 10. Nice low numbered Vet Auto. A nice card though. I mean, it's not the greatest thing in the world, but still kind of cool. You don't see much Dwayne Allen vet stuff. Tyler Gaffney insert. And a Michael Sam numbered to 999. Big Al wants that card, just so you know. Big Al's favorite ever is Michael Sam. Last box, then we're going to random the points off, guys. We still have to random the points off to everybody in the break. What's up, Reed Roofer? How you doing, Kevin? Last box, prime sig, guys. Let's end it with a huge boom. Brett Favre, Stafford, Brandon Marshall, Travis Kelce to 149, Lawrence Taylor insert. And auto is Hunter Henry, numbered to 199. Come on, focus. There we go. Hunter Henry to 199. I want to say Texans, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to look it up. Chargers. Let's go on to New Yorker. He's a tight end. All right, guys, we're gonna real quick. We're gonna random the points off to everybody in the break. And then we will. We're gonna try that quick select break because it'll take 2 seconds to do. All right, guys, 250 points. All the teams are in there. 7 times. 7 times on the randomizer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final. Colts, PO8, Dwayne Allen, and the 200.